Alright, you guys, so this is a quick update on this 400EX build. Well, I ran into some issues. As you can see, the motor is now off of it. I'm at the car wash, cleaning it up a little bit and getting ready to prep and try to do a little touch-up work on the frame. I might tape it off and paint the whole frame, but we'll go back to factory color. I found that the steering stem is bent and also the handlebars. We're gonna have to change those. So this isn't gonna be a 2-week build anymore. I should have it running by the weekend. I'll be sure to post a clip on that. Right now I'm just trying to get it clean, get it to where I can have something decent to work with. Because at this point I've already taken the motor off, and I'm gonna have to show you all a video on what happened there as to why I'm taking the motor off. I apologize. I'm putting some more change into this machine. But pretty much it was one mismatched bolt in the head. I took the valve cover off. You see, when we first got back from West Virginia, it was completely together. I thought about trying to run it, but I've had a lot of failed experiments. And I the bike is for sale. So I wanted to make sure that I do it right. So I took the valve cover off just to check for clearances in the valves, and also to check in the torque specs on the bolts. Everything was off. All of the torque specs had mismatched nuts. So I took the motor off, as you can see, and I'm doing a complete rebuild on it. So this is going to take a little bit longer than 2 weeks, but like I said, the bike will be for sale when it's done. I might even auction it off on this channel. I'm new to YouTube, so I'm going to be doing some stuff like that in the future, but I might try it right now. I'm not sure. It just kind of depends on what all I would need to do to go ahead and make that happen. But yeah, man, this is just a quick update on it. This is where we're at as of right now. I'll have a video posted later this week of it running. Hopefully I have it running by this weekend or so.